Hi guys and welcome to our YouTube channel Finance for Beginners, where today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can join Etoro using your Google account. To do so, first of all, let's download Etoro and open it up. Here you can see that I have already downloaded and opened Etoro. You'll be on this kind of screen where now you can just scroll all of these ads away or click on continue until you see the option for get started. But if you already have an account, you can directly click on sign in and log into your account. If not, click on get started and you can see that you'll be transported to this kind of page. Where now to join Etoro, you just have to click on sign in with Google on the top of your screen right here. Now click on sign in with Google and just input the credentials of your Gmail account and you'll be able to log in or join Etoro using your Gmail or your Google account. This was for this video and I hope you guys find that video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for a review, and for more content like this, see you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.